Namaste, welcome to cookmydish.in. Rajasthan has one very unique dish which always intrigues me. It is papad ki sabzi. We always used to eating papad, but I think a papad in a sabji gives a very nice taste. And you know what? Everybody has papads in their house and this dish can be made like that in a hurry. So let's start cooking. What I'm going to do, I have these pepper flavored papads along with some garlic. You're free to use any other kind of papad you like. I'm going to cut these into like triangles, or you can cut them into strips if you like. I'm going to cut them into triangles right here, which I have here. And then what do I have here? I have some jeera, whole jeera. I have some onions. I have a little bit of garlic. I've got some yogurt into which I'm going to whisk in some turmeric powder, red chili powder and some coriander powder along with a little bit of kachari. Kachari, as we know, is a dehydrated powder made from a kind of cucumber which grows only in Rajasthan. It's used for its souring properties. It's got a wonderful flavor. Well, if you don't have that, you can add amchur if you like. And let's start cooking. So while the pan gets hot, in the meanwhile, why don't we mix our yogurt along with our spices to get it ready. So I've got a tablespoon of yogurt in this, of red chili powder, coriander, half a teaspoon of kachari and a little bit of haldi, turmeric powder. Just a dash of water to mix it well. Now let's heat up some oil in this pan, into which I'm adding some jeera seeds, whole cumin seeds हम डाल रहे हैं इसमें. और अभी ये जब इनको क्रैकलिंग साउंड आएगा, जब ये स्प्लटर करने लगेंगे, उसके बाद हम इसमें प्याज डालने वाले हैं. We are almost getting there. Some chopped onions in here. I'm going to lightly brown these onions, and then I'm going to be adding some chopped garlic into it as well. 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Give this a little mix now. Once these are nicely getting colored, we have our yogurt and our spice mix. Fabulous. तो हमारे ये दही मिक्सचर को हमने मिला दिया है. हल्की सी नमक इसमें डालनी है. लेस देन हाफ अ मिनट थोड़ा उसको भूनना है. उसके बाद हम इसमें पापड़ डालने हैं और फिर जस्ट इनफ वाटर एज लॉन्ग एज द पापड़ इज कवर्ड. So now all we have to do is let it simmer on a very beautiful slow fire until the papad is nice and soft, and then it's ready to go. So I would give it in about 7 to 8 minutes and then we shall look at it again. Now the water has just been absorbed by the papad. The papad is nice and tender and it's almost like a beautiful handkerchief kind of consistency. To this, a little bit of coriander. And my papad ki sabji is ready. It's time to plate up. A little more coriander. Capsicum यहाँ पर. Nasturtium फूल जो हम खा सकते हैं. एक अच्छा स्प्रिंग पुदीना का. पापड़ की सब्जी, 5 to 6 papad, 75 ml oil, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 onions finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of kachari powder, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons red chili powder, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Pepper flavored papads along with some garlic. I'm going to cut them into triangles. So I've got a tablespoon of yogurt in this, red chili powder, coriander, half a teaspoon of kachari, haldi, turmeric powder. Just a dash of water to mix it well. Some oil in this pan, some jeera seeds, some chopped onions in here. I'm going to lightly brown these onions. 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. We have our yogurt एंड आवर स्पाइस मिक्स। मिक्सचर को हमने मिला दिया है। हल्की सी नमक इसमें डालनी है। उसके बाद हम इसमें पापड़ डालने हैं और फिर जस्ट इनफ वाटर as long as the papad is covered. So now all we have to do is let it simmer on a very beautiful slow fire until the papad is nice and soft, and then it's ready to go. A very easy dish straight from my kitchen into your homes. My papad ki sabzi only on cookmydish.in. Enjoy.